How to send a friend request on Instagram. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send a friend request on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you're going to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you're going to have to go ahead and tap on your profile icon. As you can see on Instagram, there is no such thing as friends. What you can do is follow each other's profiles. So that's basically what Instagram is about. So as you can see here, I've got some followers and there are some profiles that I'm following. And if you want to add someone as friend, then it probably means that you both follow each other. So for example, if I just head over to my profile and tap on this, and tap on this profile right here. As you can see, I follow this person right here and they follow me back too. So that is how you make friends on Instagram. But in some cases, all of the profiles might not be public. So in those cases, you will have to send them a follow request. So if there are any private accounts right here, so let me just tap a random one. As you can see, this account right here is private, so if I want to follow them, I'm just gonna have to send them a follow request, and if and only if they accept my request, I'll be able to see their post, number of followers, and who they follow right here. So that's how you can send friend requests on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.